As the sun rises over this vast Mercedes-Benz complex, it's the symphony power, the symphony of engineer air burst.
Flatness is spot on. Confirmed. Ready for next panel. This automated symphony of precision transforms raw potential into flawless reality. Perfect choreography of mechanical harmony.
Torque at 80%, robot engage on the next bolt. Final torque achieved, clear to proceed. Robotic systems install transmission units. This automated process enables efficient power transfer engineering. This is the symphony of global logistics, an engineering marvel connecting humanity forward.